In this video, we're going to be repairing this brake line here that's leaking. And so far, I just took off the ends here out of the bleeder block, and the line actually snapped off, which is okay. I've got a new one. This is all going to get replaced. And then you just lift up these brackets, and then you go up to this block and you take that one out right there. And that's all I'm doing now is just unscrewed this out of here. Okay, and it's free. I'll go ahead and take this line out. What you want to do is you want to measure your old line and get a pretty good idea of what you're going to need for the new length. And then you got a coil here. And what you're going to do is you're going to stretch it out, uncoil it nice and straight. And there you go. Measure it to the length you need. Okay. And then get your little cutter and start cutting it. That's what we're going to do, so we have our proper length. And then we'll get the bender and we'll start bending it to that length, or to that shape. And we'll put it in here and we'll go ahead and give it close to a 90-degree bend. Okay, so we just put her through here and bent it around. And that's going to be pretty close. Okay, and we'll just kind of straighten out this down and we'll bend it to the left. Alright, so I decided to bend it by hand. It was pretty decent, 3/16, so you can do it by hand. It's probably a lot easier. And you just take it one bend at a time. So I've got a little extra length, so I tried to put a little bit more of a bend in here. So if it is too long, I'll just take it off and cut another inch off or so. But other than that, now I can put my ends on and see about flaring it. Alright, once you have your line bent, you put your fittings on, and you put your line, and in this case it was a 3/16, through the corresponding hole. Clamp down the sides, measure the depth that it sticks out, and then tighten it down. And turn this adapter around, and you'll end up putting it through the hole like that. And then you clamp it down tight. Okay, you seat it down and it'll flare it out. And then you'd remove the adapter, and then you just put this part in the hole of the line and tighten it down. And that creates your double flare. And I just kind of cleaned up any burrs, and it's ready to install. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the line that I bent, put it in there, and I'll try to make sure all the bends are proper. I may have to tweak some of the bends as we go, but we'll see how it looks once I get one of the sides hooked up, or one of the ends. There you go. Once you got it installed, you bleed your brakes, and you're done.